Hello mga ka-PC Works! Isa ka bang digital artist, designer, or just curious about drawing tablets? Do you also believe that quality drawing experience requires a quality drawing tablet? Then don't skip this video because this is the right drawing tablet for you. Today we'll unbox and do a demo of Xencelabs Pen Tablet Medium Bundle. The first thing that you'll see sa loob ng box is a thank you card. And sa likod nito nakalagay yung instructions on how to connect your Xencelabs Pen Tab to your computer and also how to install its drivers. Then we have the drawing tablet itself. It has rubber feet sa likod niya so that when you draw, the tablet would stay in its place. It also comes with a bag and yung fabric niya sa inside malambot, so you don't have to worry that it might scratch the pen tab surface. May pocket din where you can put the pen case, quick keys, or whatever accessories the tablet comes with, like the glove, dongles, and the cables. Speaking of cables, we have USB A to C cable and quick keys USB right angle cable. Meron din itong drawing glove na kasama, which is stretchable, flexible, and breathable, reducing the friction between your hand and the tablet's surface. Then next is a pen case, where it contains the wireless dongle for the tablet and quick keys remote control, the USB A to C adapter, the two drawing pens, which are the thin pen, and the thicker 3-button pen that features 3 programmable buttons and eraser. It also includes extra nibs, 6 standard nib, and 4 felt nib, and the nib extracting ring. Then lastly is a quick keys remote control that harness the power of programmable shortcut keys and functions like a zoom, brush size, layer select that incorporates the regular workflow of an artist. Now, let's do a quick start guide. The first thing you have to do after connecting your tablet to your PC is go to their site, which informs you what you need to do to get started and download the right driver for your OS. After installing, you can now customize your corner lights, your pen pressure, pen buttons, and quick shortcut keys. So here's a few clips on how I use the Xencelabs Pen Tab Medium Bundle. So here I tried to create a mascot for Xencelabs. My main inspiration is mainly their logo and the dodo bird. Thanks for joining us today for this review of the Xencelabs Pen Tablet Medium Bundle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and share it with your fellow artists and tech enthusiasts. And of course, if you want to stay up to date with the latest tech reviews and tutorials, follow us on all our social media accounts. For all your creative and tech needs, buy it only at PC Works. Until next time, happy creating!